Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is subtraction. Okay? Third chapter, that is subtraction. Let's learn about the subtraction. You are well aware of this, that in second standard also you learned about the subtraction. The meaning of subtraction is taking away. Okay? Now, imagine on your birthday, your father gave you 500 rupees. You go with your friends and you have ice cream and you'll enjoy. You'll spend 300 rupees. Okay. After spending 300 rupees, how much is left? Okay. Some amount is left. Okay. What your father gave, that amount is called minuend. And how much you spend, that is called subtrahend. And what is left is called the difference. Okay, children? Now you understand in a better way now. Okay? Now, this is a recollection of what you have learnt in the second standard. Everyone, see page number 44. I am reading this. You just listen and try to understand. Mehak is a book owner. Mehak is the name of one girl who is having a bookstall. She went to the book fair to sell her books. She went to some other place and she put one stall there, okay, for selling the books. She took with her 888 English books, 285 drawing books, 792 Hindi books, and 483 comics. Okay, comics are the story books with the pictures. Okay, all this she has taken with her to a place to sell from morning to evening. They do the selling, no sales. Okay, so she went for a sale there. She started her shop with so many books. Okay, then how many more books were there as compared to the drawing book? How many drawing books are there? 285. Okay. How many English books are there? 888. So, how many more drawing books are there? Means what we have to do? Subtract. Take away. Take away from 888, 285. That is from English book. You take out the drawing book. How many more English book you will get? Here, 8 minus 5 is 3. Now, 8. There are two ways in doing this subtraction. I will show you here. 8, 8, 8. 2, 8, 5. Now, here 8, no? You can count on a finger. Just take the 8. This. 6, 7, 8 till here. From 8, take out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many remaining? 3. Okay. Then 8. 8 you take. 8 minus 8. Take away 8. Nothing is there. 0. Again take the 8. Take out 2. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. This is one way. There is one more way. 8. Just put 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cut this 5. How many are there? Just put 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the 8 minus 8, 0. Nothing is left. Now again 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2. Take out 2. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now here, directly also you can do 8 minus 5. 8 minus 8. Again 8 minus 2. Like this directly also you can do. Now, 888 is what? Minuend. What it is called? Minuend. You should remember, it's very important. 285 subtrahend. And what is left over is difference. Okay. From this many total, we have taken away this many and we got the difference is 603. This is how we have to subtract. So, Mehak, what did she do? How many more English books are there? So, how many more English books are there? 603 more English books are there. Okay. Then, continue seeing in the book. In the morning, Mehak set up her stall and buyers started coming. A person bought 195 Hindi books from a bundle of 792 Hindi books. So, morning, she started her shop. So many people, we also go for a shopping. No, there many people came. Out of that, one person has taken 195 books, Hindi books. Total, how many Hindi books are there? 792 Hindi books. Out of that, he has taken, out of 792, he has taken 195. Okay. So what? Here is a small number. We can't take out, borrow 1 from here. Your friend 1. Here from 9, 1 your friend has given. So here 8 only will be there. From 12, 5 goes. See, just count the smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From 12, 5 goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will go. Count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Now this is 8. 9 is a bigger number. You can't again borrow 1 from here, and here 6 are left. So these are 18. Okay, from 18, 9 has to go. Again you count 1, 2, 3. Or else again you can do like this. 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So how many are these? 3, 3, 6, 3, 9. Like that also you can do. Or you just count 18. From 18, take out 9. 2, 3, 3, 6, 3, 9. How many are there? 9 are left. So, 9. Here 6 are there. From 6, 1 goes. 5. 597 books are left. How many Hindi books she brought? 792. That is minuend. And how much she sold? 195. A single person has taken 195 books. So how many are left? That is 597 Hindi books are left now. Okay. Now this happened in the morning. Then in the afternoon. By noon, Mehak was left with 0 drawing books. How many drawing books were there? 285. So 0 left, nothing left. So how many she sold? All the 285 books she sold. So how many she sold means 285 she sold. 285 drawing books are sold. All the books finished. Okay. Now next see the word problem. How many comics books were sold by noon, by afternoon? If she had left with 483 of them in the morning. So comics book total how many were there? 483. Now by afternoon, Mehak sold. By noon, Mehak left with 0 drawing book and 265 comic books. So Mehak sold all the 285 drawing books. Then how many comics books are left? 265 books are left with her by noon. In the morning, how many were there? 483 were there. Now only how many comics books are left? 265. Okay. Now let us see how many comics books are left. Okay. Total how many were there comic books? Here we'll write. 483. By noon how many left? 265. 265 are left by noon. So, how many are left? We'll see. She sold. How many she sold we have to see. Okay. Morning number of books, comic books are 283. Number of comics books left by noon is 265. How many she sold? We'll see. Can you take out 3 from 5? No, you have to borrow 1 from here. It will become 13. Now here from 8 you give 1. It will become 7. From 13 take out 5. Yeah. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Then 7. From 7 take out 6. 1 is left. From 4 take out 2. 2 is left. So by noon 218 comics books were sold. See, 218. You have to write here number of comics books in the morning. 483. Number of comics book by noon is left by noon is 265. So if you take out, you will get the what is left. So what is this number? Minuend. What is this number? Subtrahend. What is the leftover is the difference. One more word problem is there here. By evening, what happened? We'll see. In the evening, Mehak returned home with just 35 comic books. All the books over. Only 35 books are left. Okay. How many comics books were sold by noon to evening? So, how many books were there by noon comics? 265. So, here they are asking. Okay. Number of comics left by noon. How many left by noon? 265. We'll write 265. Then by evening she left with only 35 books. So number of comics left by evening, that is 0. Nothing is there now. 35. Okay. Number of. Now, how many more comics books were sold between noon to evening? So, number of comics books sold. Subtraction again. From 5 minus 5, from 5 take out 5, 0. From 6 take out 3, 1, 2, 3. From 2, nothing is 230. So, how many books she sold? 230 books she sold. Okay. So, children, I will send you pic of page number 44 and 45. You just write down in the textbook all this. Okay, children? Thank you.